actually here. Oh, that is effed up. Oh my god. Huh. They covered up all evidence. I meant to bring my stupid thing along, whatever. So that's the on-ramp up there, which I accidentally went on and had to drive 40 miles to get back here. That's the old drain that collapsed. It's a cool spot. Oh, that thing is messed up. They actually locked it now. Well, I have to see this. Oh, almost fell in. Oh, they have a huge problem. I thought this was gonna happen. This thing is filling up. Oh my god. I'm gonna tag Mass DOT and post 10 on Twitter or something. This is a huge problem. It is full. This thing is effed up. Oh my god. Do I really want to risk doing this? You can see fine. Oh my god, this is like days away from flooding the road. And hell no am I going in it after seeing this. So it's like, what if this breaks and I'm in there? I was gonna do something dumb and go in, but I'm not doing it with 1,000 gallons of water upstream. Like, the volume could break the dam. Probably not, but it could. Oh my god. Hi. What? This thing is clogged. I'm gonna report it to the DOT.
No, I say, what is that for?
What is what for?
That, why it locked up?
Oh, I have no idea. I have no idea. I think it's legal things.
Huh?
I think it's to protect themselves legally if someone gets hurt on there. They said
I know they had
it's locked.
They had some kids. I don't know if it was a handicapped kid. They have a place to fish.
Oh, okay.
They said there's a lot of trout in there. But like if you and I go, we have to go up on that side.
Right.
Yeah, it's all locked up.
Yeah, I think it's just they don't want people going in there and getting hurt and then suing the town or whatever.
Yeah, yeah. I was wondering, and then see, they fenced that off down there a little bit too.
Yeah, right. Well, that's the highway. They don't want people up there. Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah. That thing's gonna clog. That thing's gonna flood over the road.
Yeah, yeah.
It's completely clogged by beavers.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right. Have a good day. Ugh. Oh my god. Like, that thing is almost full. I don't know if you can see in there. I've had so many weird encounters this trip. I don't know how much of that you heard. Yeah, can you see that? The water's like a foot below. This thing is like 15 feet deep. Water's like a foot below. Where is he even coming from? There he goes. Okay, let's see where it comes out. I was gonna be stupid and walk in it, but not with that. That could break at any moment. Probably not, but it could. There's one manhole cover. Yeah, there's barely anything coming through. Ugh. Okay, I gotta... Turn the flashlight on. Camera in use. I don't know how to turn it on while I'm recording. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Can't really see anything. I think I might leave this to the experts. If I do decide to do it, it'll be a separate video. That is terrifying. One final thing. People have been here. Probably because of the videos. I don't think we'll be able to get there. Should I do it? No, this is marshland. I can't do this. Anyway. Yeah, I can see it. Hold on. I mean, that's it right there. It's just walled off. Let me catch my breath, and then I will decide if I want to take a extremely horrible decision today or not. Thanks for watching, and Mass DOT, fix your stuff.